Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to grab a still on DaVinci Resolve. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before that. And now you want to choose where you want to grab a still. So I will choose a start of my videos. And after that you want to click this color wheel. You want to be on the qualifier and be right there at the clip. And then right click your mouse and click grab a still. Now you want to go ahead and navigate at the top to the gallery instead of media pool, and you will have your grab a still here. Now you want to go ahead and click on it and export it. And you want to go ahead and choose where you want to export it. I'm just going to choose any option. Let's write down still, but you want to go ahead and change the format to the PNG and export it. And after this, you will have your graph still, and you will have it right there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.